Welcome to the introduction of the Product-Configurator made by MHSoft. The configurator is made especially for those companies who offer their clients several different types of their product. The focus of this video will be mostly about the subject called plausibility check, which needs to be done whenever a customer has chosen his product version and the material bills need to be created. First of all, after downloading and installing the configurator, most companies might see that it doesn't match their own product line. But no matter how different it is, as MHSoft has made the plausibility checks for this fictional company, it is able to make it for any other. And the way any employee has to handle it will be the same and easy as it is in this demo version. Use this symbol, which is placed after the installation on the desktop. Choose your language. A new form opens. It's the order acceptance. Here we have a list of the product version. The names are deliberately abstract because it shall not look like this configurator is only made for companies in any particular field. Those products might be helicopters, robots, cars, or even carriers who wants to assemble their shipment. The product is a choice of the version plus a subcategory. That's why we see each version listed more than once, but with a different subcategory. If I choose one product, then the two fields below, called Additional Decors and Basic Decors, are filled, also just with abstract designations, except two within the Additional Decor list, Tinted Windows and Climatic Engine. And on the right side, within the Basic list, just one, called Standard Windows. The first step is pretty simple. Within the Additional list, I choose the Tinted Windows, and the Basic Decor, called Standard Window, is out now. Price and weight are changed as well. To see it again, I can easily repeat it. For this step, an application as I have here would not be needed. Each employee would be able to handle it very easy. To amplify it, I open the plausibility define. There is the same product version list as it is in order acceptance. A click within this list fills the list beside with the related additional decors. Then I select the tinted windows, and I see what was already defined. Within the basic decor list, the standard window has a mark on Keep Out. That's why it leaves the basic list in the order acceptance. Now I amplify it. I define that the tinted windows shall only be available together with a climatic engine. I set a mark on the number 30 within the column Add. And another basic decor needs to be kept out, in our example, number 6. I save it, and I go back to the order acceptance form. Choose the same version. Choose the tinted windows, and the climatic engine is marked as well. And two basic decors have left the basic list. If I try now to deselect the climatic engine, but I get a message saying this number is obliged by the number 12, the only way to deselect it is to deselect the tinted windows. It might be easy to object here that if tinted windows and climatic engine are hardly connected, then it should be presented as one component. Quite well, but the climatic engine itself shall be selectable alone. To see it, I just deselect the tinted windows. All goes back as it was before. Now I choose the climatic engine, and it is selectable and deselectable quite well. I amplify it again. I go back to the plausibility definition form, choose the same version, choose number 20 from the decor list, and define that number 30, the climatic engine, needs to be deselected. I save it and go back to the order acceptance. Choose of the version we still care about, choose of the tinted windows, and now I choose number 20. But the application refused the mark and shows me a message. The additional decor, 20, would involve the climatic engine, number 30. But 30 is non-eligible because of the definition for decor 12. If it seems to me this must be a mistake, well, I easily go back to the plausibility definition form to see what was defined. Number 12 needs to have number 30, and number 20 needs to have 30 deselected. Back to order acceptance. Assuming these are all definitions which are needed for this product, then I never have to care to make ever a configuration, which is not possible. Let's amplify it again. Back to the plausibility definition form. I choose the same version we still care about and define for number 11 that number 12, our tinted windows, needs to be added. I save it, go back to order acceptance, choose number 11, and number 12 is also marked, but it doesn't take out the standard windows from the basic decors. What does that mean? First of all, the program is made to handle it this way. Because if not, how much more decors would be added or deselected, considering that mostly it's not just one number, which will be added, but 2 or 3 more. And all of them have their defines, and based upon those defines, all their further decors would be added or deselected. At this moment, this application might be no longer useful. That's the main reason why it works like that. And finally, to solve it, back to the plausibility define form. I choose number 11 and define that the standard windows get a mark for keep out as well. I save it, go back to the order acceptance, make the choices I did before, and now the basic decor standard windows is out. At least just a short look how to save an order. I chose a customer from the green drop-down list. Choose the product we have carried, and finally a click on Save, which leads us to another form, Order Overview, which is pointed to the last order number. The most valuable part, next to the focus of this introduction, might be the button Create PDF. One click and a report opens as a PDF file. Mouse click to close the PDF. Here we are at the end of this video. Hopefully it has won your interest. Thank you very much.